Get your tools ready. It's time for some basic DaVinci maintenance. Today we're going to show you how to replace the DaVinci IQ2 Pearl. First, you'll need to remove your IQ2 Pearl gasket, and Pearl post. Let's start by unscrewing your Pearl from its post. Next, you'll want to gently work your flat tool in between the lid of the IQ2 and the silicone gasket that holds the Pearl in place. Using the flat tool, lift the lip of the silicone gasket. Use 2 fingers to lift the gasket out of the lid of the IQ2. Then use the flat tool to remove the Pearl post as shown. Now it's time to install your new Pearl replacement. Let's start by installing the Pearl post. Make sure one end of the Pearl post base is in the square-shaped slot. Then use the flat tool to gently work the base of the post securely into the slot. Next, let's replace the gasket. Sit the gasket on top of the IQ2 lid around the post. Start by using your flat tool to work one end of the gasket's lip down into the hole, and then continue all the way around until the hole is sealed by the gasket. Lastly, screw your new Pearl onto its post and you're all set. Congrats, you just replaced your DaVinci IQ2 Pearl.